you have this complete captain cool, the tag that you've achieved. Are you really that cool? What goes through your head to be that cool?
I think I am as each and every individual is. We all feel the frustration, we all feel the irritation when things are not going our way. But what is important is, does frustration lead to anything that is good for the team? What at that point of time, what I am thinking is what needs to be done. गलती हो सकती है किसी इंडिविजुअल से हुई हो या पूरी टीम से हुई हो कि जो भी हमारा प्लान था, maybe we didn't execute our plans well. Whatever the format may be, T20 हो, Test cricket हो या 50 over format हो. So I like to get into the process again. What can be done right now, depending on the situation. Test match में you have 2 innings, so at times you get slightly longer duration to plan out your next move. One day में थोड़ा time constraint होता है. T20 में everything happens very quickly, so the demands are very different. But I would say that I feel equally frustrated. I also feel angry at times. I feel disappointed. But what is important is none of these are constructive. What needs to be done right now is more important than any of these emotions. So when I get into the thinking of what needs to be, Nabi mujhe kya karna hai, what is the next thing that I can plan, who is the individual I can use. And once I get into it, I'm controlling my emotions in a much better way. So I would say I'm like everyone else. It's just that I control my emotions slightly better than some of the other individuals, because I feel, human beings have a lot of emotions, and especially us Indians, we thrive on emotions. So, it will be wrong to say that, these are something that doesn't come to my mind. Yes, I also face each and everything, but I always felt that my emotions should be under my control. And if I'm able to do that, then my thinking will be more constructive, and also it will help me think more about the process than the result, because result can put undue pressure on the individual or as a team in the full.
Runs there. It's all come down to this man. Mackay has been bowling good Yorkers. And he's gone down the ground. I think it's massive. He has cleared it. That is a phenomenal hit from Dhoni. Maybe he's timed it to perfection.
Unbelievable cricket. Really unbelievable. It needed a Yorker. It wasn't a Yorker. He is so powerful in the arms, and that one has gone to the long boundary down the ground. Now that has changed things.
Well, that is huge. You can't explain how big that is. That's probably the biggest boundary in Australia there. And he's cleared it comfortably when he needed 12 or 4 balls. And he laid back. All his weight was on the back foot, and Clint Mackay could not believe how pure that stroke was. Oh, yes it is. Oh no, he's out. It's a no ball though. They're coming back for 2. It's all happening at the Adelaide Oval. No ball on height. It was a full toss too high above the waist. That's why the arm is out. Shots. He just has the ultimate confidence. Turns it round. There's going to be 2. It might even be 4. Dave Warner is chasing after it. Flicks it in, but they'll run 3, won't they? And that's victory to India. 2 balls remaining. That is a phenomenal run chase. Well played, India.
Your fans look upon you as their hero. So what's a message that you want to give to them?
Well, personally, if you ask me, I feel, you have to be honest in life. You have to be honest to yourself. You have to be practical. You have to take risk in life, but at the same time, you have to be calculated. You can't just say, okay, I took a risky option at some point of time. You have to be ready for the kind of talent that's really needed to achieve what you want to achieve. But at the same time, you have to take risk in life. So for me, being honest in life is very important. Hard work that you have to put, irrespective of what your profession is. The hard work, the honesty, respecting the elders, which I feel is the key. If you don't respect the elders, be it your parents or be it anyone, it becomes very difficult to be successful in life. Being humble, try to be, when you enter, let's say, any big building, right from the first man you meet to maybe the managing director, you have to be the same to each and everyone. So that's what life is all about. Go through the difficult periods, fight it out. But if you can do it with a smile, that you'll become part of maybe the 5% persons, who can actually do it. Because at times we crib about life, about the tough period, but what's important is to go through, because it's a tough period that actually make you a better human being.
Now we understand that you're not only handsome from outside, but from inside too, Mr. Dhoni. You are handsome from inside too.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Mr. Cool Captain.